Here is your fingerstyle written in guitar tablature format. Even though it is very easy to understand guitar tablature, it does not cover guitar technique. So it does not tell you to put your heel pad on the bridge of the guitar as a reference point. It does not tell you to keep your knuckles raised or to use your third finger to play the first string and your second finger to play the second string and your first finger to play the third string, or your thumb up here. So I have positioned the fingers in here to help you. Thumb 3 would mean thumb for this note and 3 for that note. That's your pinching, as we just saw in the video, how to pinch it. Your first finger would be on the 7th fret. That's why that's a 7. In the video, we just did an open string, in which case that would be a 0. So this is your pinching. Also, you'll see the thumb coming in under this 7, but not coming in there and not coming in on the third beat. It just keeps coming in on the first beat as we go along, all the way down through the pattern. It does switch to the 5th string later on somewhere, I think, briefly, but it's mostly on the 6th string. And that's your fingerstyle. You've already been practicing it with the video. That's it in tablature format.